If you want to free up storage on Redmi 15, then all you have to do is go to Settings. Next, we're gonna proceed to About Phone, and then we can choose Storage. Now over here, you should be able to find the clear option, so you can use it in order to release some space. So your phone will check for cache files, obsolete files, packages, and residuals and memory. We can also tap on these options in order to unfold these categories, and you can see exactly what will be cleared once you decide to do so. So of course you can also check on these circles on every option that is available over here in order to decide if you actually want to get rid of, for example, cache files, obsolete files, and so on and so forth. So press this cleanup button, and then all trash files should be removed from your phone. Besides that, over here you can also find the deep clean option and storage refresh, which can also help you get some space back. And that's pretty much it. Remember that you can also go through all these categories, so if there is anything that has that takes lots of space, then you can go into these options, into these categories in order to find out what you can get rid of. So for example, if you go to apps and you know that you don't use certain apps and they take lots of space, then of course you can uninstall them. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.